In this video, I would like to share with you 9 useful Japanese phrases for everyday use. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. ありがとうございます. This is a very common Japanese use for expressing gratitude. If someone helps you with something, gives you a present, then you need to use this phrase ありがとうございます, which means thank you. Number 2. すみません means excuse me. You want to pass through someone or pass through a line, or if you are in the elevator and you are in a bit of a rush, you can say すみません. That means move a little bit and they will move for you. If you make a small mistake, you can just say すみません. Want to get someone attention, then you can say すみません. Number 3. 大丈夫です. It's okay. No, I don't need this. For example, if you are in a 7-Eleven or convenience store and they ask you 袋ご利用ですか? Which means, do you need a plastic bag? And you don't need it, then you don't say no thank you. Because in Japanese, it is considered to be rude to reject someone directly. So instead of saying no thank you, we say 大丈夫です. If someone asks you, are you okay? 大丈夫ですか? You say 大丈夫です. Number 4. お願いします. お願いします. Please, if you want to ask someone for a favor, then you say お願いします, which means please help me with this. This phrase has a lot of use, very commonly used in Japan, but there is no direct translation for English. Whenever you hear someone says お願いします, usually means asking you for a favor. Number 5. どこですか? Where is it? For example, 駅はどこですか? Where is the station? バスはどこですか? Where is the bus stop? Have to use the name of the bus stop in front of the bus stop. For example, 東京駅はどこですか? Where is the Tokyo station? When you are lost and you want to go to a place, you have to say the name of the place plus どこですか? Number 6. ありますか? お金ありますか? Do you have it? お金ありますか? あったら私にあげてください. Number 7. クレジットカード使えますか? クレジットカード credit card 使えますか? Can I use it? クレジットカード使えますか? Can I use the credit card? In Japan, some shops only use cash or PayPay. You cannot use credit cards. So it is best to ask whether you can use credit card or not before buying something from a shop. Because if you don't have cash in your hand, you will be in trouble, or at least you will have to call your friend or someone to come and give you some cash. So it's best to ask before you go to a shop. Because for me, I went to a restaurant, so I only have about 3,000 yen as cash because I use credit card. But I didn't ask whether I can use credit card or not before I order something. Then after ordering and eating, I realized that, oh crap, I don't have enough cash. I might not have enough cash. But I've already ordered everything. But luckily, the order was less than 3,000, so I was safe. Please make sure to ask before you go to a shop whether you can use your credit card or not. クレジットカード使えますか? Number 8. おはようございます. おはよう. Good morning. If you go to a place and it is still like early in the morning, you can greet people by saying おはようございます. In the evening, you can say こんにちは. こんにちは. Last but not least, number 9. 英語わかりますか? Do you understand English? If you have a hard time trying to communicate in Japanese, or if you forgot a word, you can ask them 英語わかりますか? In the big cities like Tokyo or Osaka, many people speak basic English, so it is good to ask them whether they understand your English. If you learn something new and find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook for more contents like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. またね。チャンネル登録お願いします。